Good morning, children. In previous class, we discussed about the factorization and different types of methods. Today, we are going to discuss about the concept of square roots. First, what is a square root? So here, exam, I am taking x, and this is called as square. The term square, when I am reciprocating it to the square root, so this is the value I am going to get the square root. Square root of x square is equal to x, and here x is a variable. So here to find the square root we are having so many methods. So we will discuss in further classes. Children, next I am going to find the square root of, first question is find the square root of 1296 beta power 4. So here this 1296 beta power 4 I am going to calculate the square root of. Square root of 1296 beta power 4 value I have to get it. That's equal to 1296 into beta power 4. I am going to find by prime factorization. I am going to get 1296. I am going to do prime factorization. 1296 2 6 2 4 2 8 16 2 3 2 2 2 4 8 2 1 2 2 6 12 2 2 2 8 2 1 81 equal to divided by 3 3 27 3 9 3 3 so how many 2s are there? 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. Now this 2 to the power of 4 I am expanding into 2 square whole square into 3 square whole square, and the same way beta to the power of 4 also. That's equal to 1296 is equal to 2 square whole square into 3 square whole square into beta power 4 also same writing 2 square whole square under root. So here powers are equal. Simply I am going to multiply the bases. That is 2 square into 3 square into b square whole square and square root. Square root cancel. That's equal to 2 square into 3 square into b square. 2 square root is 4 into 3 square root is 9 into b square. That's equal to 36 b square. This is the value of square root of 1296 beta power of 4. Beta power of 4 square root value is 36 b square. Children, the next topic is methods to find square root. They are having 4 methods to find square roots. The first method is method of inspection. That means using algebraic identities. By using algebraic identities, we are going to find the square root of the given polynomial or given expression. Second method is method of factorization. So this factorization already we done in previous classes. We are going to find the factors, then we are going to find the square root. The third one is method of division. By long division method, how we calculated in last year class the square roots of numbers, same way we are going to find the square root of given polynomials. This method is going to be the most important method. And the last one is method of undetermined coefficients. We are going to, so here in this method we are going to think one formula or one statement, then we are going to equate that polynomial to that one, and we are going to find the square roots. That is called as undetermined coefficients. So let's do the problems on the first method, that is method of inspection, or by using algebraic identities. Children, method of inspection. In this method we use algebraic identities to find square roots of the polynomials. So here I am taking one example. In this method we are going to use the algebraic identities. The 14 identities are given. In that any one identity based on the problem we are going to use. So here the first question is, find the square root of x square plus 12xy plus 36y square. I need to use the algebraic identities. So see children, I am writing here the polynomial as I am writing x square plus 12xy plus 36y square. So I am splitting this x square plus middle term let it be. Now I am splitting the last term, that is 6y whole square. 36 is 6 square and y square. The total will be 6y whole square. When I am multiplying these two terms into 2, then I need to get the middle term. X into 6y is 6xy. So here 2 into x into 6y. When I am multiplying this total term, easy I am getting the 12xy. 2 6 are 12, x into y xy plus, as it is plus. So that's equal to, now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's equal to a plus b whole square, where a equal to x comma b equal to 6y. I'm going to write here that equal to x plus 6y whole square. Now I'm going to find the square root. Square root of x square plus 12xy plus 36y square equal to x plus 6y whole square. That means this value is this one and square root as I am taking. So square root will be cancelled. That equal to x plus 6y is the square root value of x square plus 12xy plus 36y square. Children, the next method is method of factorization. So in this method we will factorize the polynomials. Again, just like last method how we did, we are going to solve the problems. The first question is, find the square root of x square minus 8x plus 15 into 2x square minus 11x plus 5 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. Now for each term or each expression I am going to find the factors by method of factorization. So here I am going to do the step 1, that is factorize each expression. So I am doing each expression the factorization. X square minus 8x plus 15. So I am going to multiply the first and the last term. I am going to get the factors is 15x square. Factors of 15 is 1 into 15 and 3 into 5. When I am adding these two, I need to get the middle term, that is 3 plus 5 is 8. But minus 8 is there, so minus minus. Minus into minus is plus. The automatically I am going to get 3 into 5 is 15. So here minus 3x comma minus 5x are the factors I am going to get. That equal to x square minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. The common is x. X minus 3 minus 5 is common. X minus 3. Now x minus 3 and x minus 5. These are the factors of the first expression. And the same way second expression, 2x square minus 11x plus 5. So 10x square. So factors are 2x square. So 10x square. The factors will be 10 into 1 and 1 into 10, 2 into 5. So I need to get the middle term is 11. So minus 10 and minus 1. Now that's equal to 2x square minus 10x minus x plus 5. See here, minus into minus plus 10 into 1 is 10. So automatically I am getting 10x square. Now when I am adding these two, I am getting minus 11x square. So here common is 2x. Now x minus 5. Here nothing is there common. Minus 1 I am taking common, x minus 5. The factors are x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. The next is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. 2 3s are 6x square. Factors of 6 is 1 into 6. When I'm adding these two terms, I'm getting 7. So minus 7 is there. So I'm taking minus minus. Minus into minus is plus. 6 into 1 is 6x. 6. X into x is x square. So now the factors are 6x, 2x square minus 6x square minus x plus 3. In this, sorry, 6x. So in this, 2x is common. X minus 3 minus 1 is common. X minus 3. X minus 3 into 2x minus 1. Now square root of x square minus 8x plus 15 into 2x square minus 11x plus 5 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to, I am writing all the factors. First one is x minus 3 into x minus 5. These are the first ones. And next is x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. And the last one is x minus 3 into 2x minus 1 under root. So here x minus 3 is x minus 3 whole square, x minus 5 x minus 5 whole square, and 2x minus 1 whole square. Now I am taking here x minus 3 into x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 whole square under root. So square root is going to be cancelled. Now the answer will be x minus 3 into x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. So by this method we are going to get the square root of x square minus 8x plus 15 into 2x square minus 11x plus 5 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3. So first I am going to factorize each and every term. Now first term's factors are x minus 3 into x minus 5, second terms are x minus 5 into 2x minus 1, and third term is x minus 3 into 2x minus 1. Now I am going to find the square root. Then here x minus 3 whole square, x minus 5 whole square, and 2x minus 1 whole square. So I am taking a squares. Then I am going to multiply these bases. X minus 3 into x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. The value will be x minus 3 into x minus 5 into 2x minus 1. So this is the method how we are going to find the square root by using factorization. Children, the third method is method of division. So here in this method we will find the square root of the polynomial by using long division method. So I am going to take one example, then how we are going to do, we will do. The question here, first question is find the square root of x square minus 18x plus 81. This method is important, children, be careful. So first step by step I am going to solve. That is first step, arrange the given polynomial in descending order of power of x. I am arranging the given polynomial in descending order. So here I am arranging it. X square term, the next will be x term, and the last will be constant term. So already it is in descending order. So second step, calculate the square root of the first term of the polynomial. What is the first term of the polynomial? That is x square. So square root of x square is x. Square root of x square is x. So I have calculated the square root of x square. The next step, square of x is x square, comma, written below the first term of the expression or of the polynomial and subtract the difference will be 0. So see here, so that is first I am writing x square minus 18x plus 81. So square root of x is x. I am writing that is here, and x into x is x square. Okay, now I am doing subtraction. Okay, the value is 0. The next step 4, drop the next two terms that is minus 18x plus 81, and it is the new dividend. Okay, next is double the first term of the square root and put it down. As the first term of the next divisor, that is x plus x. So these x's is equal to 2x. Now first term of the dividend is divided by 2x, that is new divisor. We get minus 9, which is the second term. Second term of the square root, and it is new divisor. And also quotient. Children, I am going to take one more example, that is find the square root of 16 x to the power of 6 minus 24 x to the power of 5 plus 25 x to the power of 4 minus 20 x cube plus 10x square minus 4x plus 1. So I am going to solve that problem with the help of long division method. So I'm writing first, I'm arranging them in descending order of power of x. 16 x to the power of 6 minus 24 x to the power of 5 plus 25 x to the power of 4 minus 20 x cube plus 10 x square minus 4x plus 1. Now first is, I need to find the square root of 16 x to the power of 6. So that's equal to 4 square into x cube whole square. So square, that is 4 into x cube whole square, square root. So square root cancel, that's equal to 4x cube. So 16 x to the power of 6 value is 4x cube. I am taking 4x cube here and also 4x cube. That value I am going to get 4 4 is 16, x cube into x cube is x to the power of 6. Okay, now I am going to do the subtraction. Then that will be 0. I am going to drop these two terms. That is minus 24 x to the power of 5 plus 25 x to the power of 4. Now double this divisor, that is 8x cube. Now this minus 24 x to the power of 5 should be divided by 8x cube. That is the second step. So x cube, here x cube gone means x square, 8 1s are 8 3s are. That is minus 3x square. So I am writing minus 3x square here and minus 3x square. Now multiply this minus x square, this total term. I am going to get minus 24 x to the power of 5. Minus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. 3 3s are 9. X to the power of 4. X square into x square is x to the power of 4. Now do the subtraction, plus minus. So this will be cancelled. 25 minus 9 is 16 x to the power of 4. Then drop remaining two terms. That is minus 20x cube plus 10x square. Now double this. Minus 3x square. That is 8x cube minus 6x square. Now again the first term of the new dividend should be multiplied by, should be divided with the first term of the new divisor. X cube, x gone, 8 1s are 8 2s are. That value is 2x. I am writing plus 2x and plus 2x. So this total should be multiplied to 2x. 2x into 8x cube is 16x to the power of 4. Plus into minus is minus. 2 6 are 12x cube plus 4x square. Now do the subtraction. Minus plus minus. So this will be gone. 20 minus 20 plus 12 is minus 8x cube plus 10x square minus 4x square is plus 6x square. Remaining is minus 4x plus 1. I am dropping remaining two terms. Now I am going to double this 2x. 8x cube minus 6x square plus 4x. Again same way. Minus 8x cube should be divided by 8x cube. So answer will be minus 1. So I am writing minus 1 here and minus 1 there. Now this total term should be multiplied with minus 1. Minus 1 into 8x cube is minus 8x cube. Minus into minus is plus 6x square. Minus into plus is minus 4x minus 1. Minus into minus is plus 1. Now do the subtraction. Plus minus plus minus. So total these all are going to be cancelled. The answer will be 0. So therefore square root of the given expression is 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. So children, by this I am going to conclude today, and next method we are going to continue in next class. Thank you.